cheaplandfarm.com. So we have here our beautiful 40 acreage land that's perfect for an off-grid independent living. There's no HOA, no covenants, and animals are allowed. So you do have tons of freedom on this parcel. And this is perfect for people who want to build a ranch, a farm, or RV parking. So this can be your vacation getaway, which is quiet, private, and secluded. So you do have an amazing view, a very beautiful view that is, of the sand dunes and Sangre de Cristo mountain range. And you have unlimited opportunities to view the night sky. And this is ideal for hunting, fishing, kayaking, and boating. So this parcel is only a 9-minute drive from Mosca and super close to San Luis Lake. So all of this can be yours for an affordable price, and we also do owner financing. So the annual approximate property tax is $240, and if you need more info, like the terrain, the GPS coordinates, and whatnot, everything is listed here on our website, cheaplandfarm.com. So you can buy a piece of bargain land anytime, every day at our website. Thank you.